Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Purple color, sky blue color, red color, deep blue color, brown color, deep green color, yellow color, black color, light green color. Today we will learn ABCD. Let's start. A. Red color. A for apple. B. Light green color. B for ball. C. Deep blue color. C for cat. D. Purple color. D for dog. E. Brown color. E for elephant. F. Deep green color. F for fish. G. G. Light blue color. H. Yellow color. H for hen. I. Black color. I for ink. J. Red color. J for juice. K. Deep blue color. K for kite. L. Light green color. L for lotus. M. Purple color. M for monkey. N. Black color. N for nose. O. Light blue color. O for orange. P. deep green color. P for pen. Q, brown color. Q for queen. R, yellow color. R for rabbit. S, red color. S for snake. T, deep green color. T for tiger. U, deep blue color. U for umbrella. V, purple color. V for violin. W, black color. W for water. X, light green color. X for xylophone. Y, light blue color. Y for yo-yo. Z, brown color. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.